Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of information security management, human resources security as outlined in ISO 27002. This standard provides a comprehensive set of controls to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information throughout the employment life cycle. Let's break it down. First, let's understand the scope of human resources security in ISO 27002. It encompasses three main stages: before employment, during employment, and after employment. Each stage has specific controls to ensure that employees and contractors understand their responsibilities and are suitable for the roles they are assigned. Before employment, the focus is on establishing clear security responsibilities in job descriptions, conducting thorough background checks, and ensuring that employment contracts include confidentiality agreements. By defining security roles clearly in job descriptions, organizations ensure that every employee understands their part in maintaining security. Background checks help verify the trustworthiness of candidates, and confidentiality agreements legally bind with them to protect sensitive information. During employment, it's crucial to maintain security awareness, manage user access, and monitor compliance with security policies. Regular training and awareness programs help keep security top of mind for all staff. Access management involves granting employees the minimum level of access necessary for their roles. This principle of least privilege reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Additionally, regular compliance monitoring ensures that employees adhere to security policies and procedures. After employment, organizations must ensure that access rights are promptly revoked and any company assets are returned. Exit interviews can also provide valuable insights into potential security issues. Revoking access rights immediately upon termination helps prevent former employees from accessing sensitive information, ensuring the return of all company assets such as laptops and access cards is equally important. Conducting exit interviews can highlight any security concerns that need to be addressed. In summary, human resources security in ISO 27002 involves before employment, defining security roles, conducting background checks, and including confidentiality agreements in contracts. During employment, providing security awareness training, managing access rights, and monitoring compliance. After employment, revoking access rights, recovering company assets, and conducting exit interviews. By following these guidelines, organizations can significantly enhance their information security posture. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, effective human resources security is a critical component of a robust information security management system. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and ensure that every stage of employment supports your organization's security goals. Until next time, stay safe. Thank you.